Welcome to the tutorials. We'll look into how to place a OCO order right now in this session. If you see, we have a position here on British pound. Yes. Look into the open positions window. Yes, we have this position. Now, I want to protect this position with a stop loss and a limit order simultaneously. I just want to tell the system where to stop and where to take my profit simultaneously in the same time. Right click on this position and you see protect position with OCO. So click this. So we have stop or selling price, or whatever the price I want. I can change the price. So I'll change the price basically accordingly. Now again it says limit. Okay, you can choose whatever the limit order you want. You can choose the limit order. Now you can also set up, if you want to put this stop loss as trailing stop loss, you can also keep it as a trailing stop loss and just define how many points do you want the system to trail. Okay, so it can be a trailing stop loss and a limit, or a simple stop loss and a limit. So thereby you safeguard your positions both sides, on the top and on the bottom. Let's look into this. I have placed an order. For example, if price reaches 1.5950, in the other way I put a stop loss if price goes 1.5850. So here I go, I submit. Okay, we got the two orders here, which is one position at 1.5950, another one is at 1.5980. If you see here, the type would be limit OCO, stop OCO. Now, what is the difference between placing an OCO limit and stop on placing a simple limit order or a simple stop order? Okay, now if you place a limit order separately, or if you place a stop order separately, assume price hits the stop level, the limit order doesn't get cancelled automatically. You have to cancel manually. Whereas in an OCO, which has one cancels other or one closes the other, basically means if your limit order is hit, automatically the stop order gets cancelled. In the other way, if you put it, if you put a stop order, or if the stop loss is taken, then the limit order gets cancelled automatically. Whereas this is not the case if you put a standalone stop order and a standalone limit order. They do not cancel each other. They will be there. There is a possibility that that order can be taken when market moves in the opposite side. I always recommend placing an OCO with a limit and a stop together. You can also see here in the chart again, also being, it shows where's your stop and where's your other stop. So it's clear in the chart even, so you can visualize here also, and again you will be able to see it there also